Ever feel like your money disappears faster than your favorite snack? You're not alone. But here's the kicker. Making a few smart moves today can change your entire financial future. Imagine waking up one day with a bank account that grows while you sleep. A future where money works for you, not the other way around. So what are these wise money moves that lead to a richer tomorrow? Let's dive right in. First up, master your budget, don't let it master you. Budgets get a bad rap, like they're party poopers. But a well-crafted budget is more like your financial GPS. It shows you exactly where your money is going and guides you to where you want to be. The secret? Keep it simple and realistic. Start by tracking your spending for a month. Yes, every coffee, every snack, even those oops impulse buys. Once you know your patterns, categorize your expenses and prioritize essentials, savings, and debt repayment. Here's the golden rule. Pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings or investment account the moment you get paid. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill. Next, slash debt. Like a pro, debt can be a financial anchor holding you back. High-interest debt, especially credit cards, can quietly eat away at your wealth-building efforts. Focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rates first. This is called the avalanche method. Alternatively, some swear by the snowball method, paying off the smallest debts first for quick wins. Either way, ditching debt frees up cash flow, reduces stress, and turbocharges your ability to save and invest. Invest in assets that work for you. Your savings accounts are safe, but they won't make you rich. Inflation slowly chips away at your purchasing power. That's why investing matters. Think of investing as planting a money tree. Stocks, bonds, real estate, or even a side business. These are assets that generate passive income or appreciate over time. Start simple. Index funds and ETFs are low-cost, diversified options that even beginners can master. Over time, compound interest and reinvested dividends can turn a modest nest egg into a financial powerhouse. Create multiple streams of income, relying on just one paycheck? Risky. Life loves to throw curveballs. Wise money movers diversify their income streams. Side hustles, freelance gigs, rental income, or dividend-paying stocks can add layers of financial security. Even small amounts from multiple sources add up, and more income means more money to save and invest. Build an emergency fund. Life isn't predictable. Emergencies happen. Without a financial cushion, you risk derailing your progress or going into debt. Aim to stash away 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an accessible savings account. This fund is your financial safety net. Use it only for real emergencies. Think long-term, but stay flexible. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Market ups and downs, job changes, or unexpected expenses will happen. Keep your eyes on long-term goals, but adjust your strategies as life evolves. Regularly review your budget, savings, and investments. Stay curious, read, learn, and adapt. Automate everything. Humans are forgetful and sometimes lazy. Automate your bill payments, savings, and investments to stay on track without constant effort. Automation removes emotional decision-making, reduces late fees, and ensures consistency. The secret sauce to growing wealth. Mindset matters. Your money moves aren't just about numbers, they're about mindset. Believe you deserve financial success. Embrace patience over instant gratification. Learn from mistakes without beating yourself up. Remember, wealth isn't just about what you earn, it's about what you keep and grow. Final thought: wise money moves aren't complicated. They're consistent actions. Budgeting smart, crushing debt, investing wisely, building safety nets, and nurturing the right mindset. Start today. Small steps build mountains over time. Your richer tomorrow begins now.